Hello guys, welcome to my channel for the first time ever. I am Debarati Mukherjee. Today I am going to share with you Pantaloons haul. All these tops are bought during previous year's puja, and all these tops are washed, and I've worn it more than twice, and it's all washed. So I can give you a very good review about actually how these tops are after washing and wearing it twice or thrice. This top is a very elegant, a very good top, and its material is chiffon. Over here you can see it has a button detailing right here, and near the chest area it has a golden detailing right here, and the material is chiffon, and but it's synthetic, but it's very soft. The material is very comfortable. Okay. And the length is normal, and all these things if I get the, actually I have bought it 1 year back, so I don't know whether I'll get all the links. So if I get the links, I'll provide it in the description box, so please check that out, and all the try-ons will be attached to the end of the video. The second top is this one. This one is a a dusty pink color top. I don't know why the in camera it's looking like a normal pink, but it's actually dusty pink color. So first you get this cami type of a thing, and yeah, all these tops that I'm showing you, all these are in size small. So this is you get this cami kind of a thing. This is also a very synthetic kind of material, but it's not at all irritating. And this one you get again a chiffon kind of a material. It's a kind of see-through, but the material is very comfortable. I've worn it and washed it twice or thrice, and obviously I've done all these machine wash, and nothing has got bad or something. All the things are good as new. Okay, so this one is this chiffon top, and it's a bit see-through, but after you wear the cami it's okay. I mean, it's not that see-through that you will feel uncomfortable or something. This is a peplum kind of a top, so near towards the lower end it gives a peplum kind of an effect, and it has a self detailing all throughout the top like this. Okay. And by the way, the top that I am wearing today right here right now is this one, this netted top. This also I've got from Pantaloons. This was 2 years back. I've got during Durga Puja. So this top is a very good wine color top. Actually you get this kinds of top a lot in Pantaloons. I think now also they are selling some light pink color top. The same pattern is the same, but they are selling this in color light pink and white, I guess. Okay. So the third top is this is a very uh, deep blue colored top. This actually a teal blue kind of a colored top. It has a button detailing right here near the sleeves, and it has a tie detailing over here. Okay, this is also in size small. Okay, and this is a normal length top. It's also very comfortable, and all these tops that I'm showing you, these are not cotton tops, guys. These are actually, it's very synthetic, but it's very soft. I mean, it's very soft. You won't feel a thing after when you wear this. It's not at all uncomfortable, or you won't feel very hot after wearing all these tops. The last one which I've got is is in this checkered pattern right here, and this is a kind of a stretchable kind of a material, and it has got these button detailings right near the shoulder. Okay. And it's a normal length top. Actually all these tops I wear tucked inside my jeans, because I'm kind of short, so it looks very smart when I tuck in my tops which are kind of long, so it gives me a taller effect. Okay. So guys, all of my try-ons will be attached towards the last of the video. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you like my video, and please support me. I'm new to this genre, so I need your support and help. Thanks for watching. Bye.